Welcome, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals Zero to make the best game ever. Good. Last session we had implemented some things, but didn't get all that far. Actually, we did implement this one. That's good. Fix section, right? I think there is a mistake in the implementation, though. This one to fix section. Yeah, I think here we need to check if if ordinal is larger than this dot size. Let's say this. Else return no section. My gosh, this is slow. How do we call this to section ordinal? One n section zero if invalid, otherwise 1 to n. Ordinal is smaller than that. Yeah. I think this works. Yeah. Good. So what do we do now? Yeah, I think we need to filter out now. So what we are not interested is if section 1 is EH frame, then we return, right? Let's see what else we got. So this one is overridable. Yeah, this one looks fine. Yeah. Texts. Okay. send direct. Send direct. Okay, let's add breakpoints. Condition. Section 1 is not text, and section 1 is not, what was it? Text call nt, whatever that means. Text is undefined. What? Why is text undefined? Should be defined. That works. Okay, here we have a text. Well, so the question is, why is this breakpoint hitting? I don't know. Shouldn't be. How about we add a G section, G sections. Function section 7. Okay, let's look at all of these. Let's put this down here. We take this and make a copy. And we put a breakpoint down here. And we say if section 1 equals that, then we do int a equals 0. And then we put breakpoints for each of these. If section 1 equals Da. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. I mean, text we know. Text is good. Text :nt is good. So we're interested in the other ones and see what these are. Okay, so data, what is that? S open callback. That is not a function, is it? Section data symbol. Yeah, that doesn't look like but it starts with ZN. I wonder if it makes sense to look straight for a section and not for a symbol name. I don't know. Okay, but so data we're not interested in. Common pixel shader. 0 fill. What is this? It also looks like some variable. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we're not interested in common. Const 1. STL prime list. Const 2. Yeah, we're not interested in that. We're not interested in that. And not in that. Okay. So I think we are only interested in text and text call. Right. So I do wonder, what if we put this section up here and then we say if section, let's remove this here. Let's remove it later. So we're looking at text or text call. Yeah. And then we remove this one here. And then we will see if this one does any good. Let's put the breakpoint here. Actually, let me put a breakpoint here. If not starts with ZN, I would like to see what happens then. Int a equals 0. Put a breakpoint here. Let's see if that ever hits. It does. Symbol is call mod init funcs. What is that? I don't know what that is. Well, it is a function, right? That is not a function. What is that? That's definitely not a function. Yeah. How about we simply say how about we simply do comment this and this, then we take this and then we say if it is not the end. Then we do uint32t count plus count assert count equals, let's do size t count dot size, hopefully, probably not. And then we say we remove all this and this, and then we say address it second m functions function and then function dot m variance function variant for function variant if function variant dot address equals symbol value. How about we put here, what is this, uint 64t address count 0 address const count address break address mangled name equals assert mangled name equals symbol dot name okay, and then we is there anything else interesting in here? Source line section. Section assert function variant dot m section equals section. Basically just a few checks, and then we do here function dot and type equals symbol dot raw type. And was there anything else interesting? Let's see. Good, let's put a breakpoint here. Okay. Okay, is there anything else interesting in here? So we have the number of sections. We have a description 0. So value size is 0. I think this is only interesting thing is a type. That's it. Right. Okay, so basically here we expect a match count IT. So we expect this many matches. Let's put a breakpoint here. Function and type E. And then we just do a oh. What's wrong here? Call mod init funcs. Huh? I don't understand what the problem is. Call mod init funcs. Oh, it has 2 underscores. Why? Why? Why is this why is this named differently? It's unbelievable. Why does this have different name? Oh, that's wild. At least the section is identical. Okay, I have no idea why the name is different. Section. That's weird. So there's this. But this has a different address. 23D4. No, here, 2019. 2 underscores. 2019. 2 underscores. Yeah, I don't know what that means. What about this one here? Let's open the this one. Aha. So maybe they all start with 2 underscore, with 1 extra underscore. Yeah, maybe what we can do is maggot name equals std string view. Oh, I hate this. I type a symbol and it deletes text. It's a std. Let's say auto corrected name. So what does this return? Data size name dot size -1 +1 . I don't know if that will work, but we can try. It would be good to just like verify that this all correct, all matching. Yeah. Address, iterator, count, function. Okay. Corrected name is now this, and now it passes, and this passes as well. And okay, we are a bit early here. I think we need to move this down here. And this count. Oh, I'm mistaken. The mistake here is 4. Oh. Right. Parse function. Well, what we can do is, well, let's first delete all this garbage here and all this garbage. Well, what we can do is return a boolean. And then here we return true, and here we return false. Then we take this thing here, and then we do if parse function size t function count equals 0, assert plus plus count. Okay. Okay, and then we can remove this here and this here, and that's it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if that makes sense. Good. So address, blah, 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 blah. Asserts. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we hit asserts here, which is probably likely. Let's put it here. Oh, no asserts. Oh. We need to move this out. And this. Let's try again. Oh, it matches. That's amazing. Okay. So we get a full check here. All these asserts are passing. We get the raw type. I don't know what that will be useful for, but we got it. I think that's all that matters. Okay, cool. Yeah, this works. And then we will have something similar here for the variables. Let's say here to do implement properly when variables are parsed. Okay, good. Then Parse thunk. Okay, that's good. Yep, then we will get back to this once we have these guys properly implemented. Yeah, which is probably still a lot of work. Okay. Type in for retailers. Okay. Parse fun. Parse fun. Parse SOL range after function has been passed. Let's add a comment here. Store SOL begin and end. It's always store SOL begin and store SOL range. It is located the range resides before a function and will be passed afterwards. Will be passed after the function. Store SOL range. The range resides before a function entry and will be passed after it's after the function. How about we call this here fun index to make the association that this belongs to fun. Fun index. SO in block, SO prefix. What is that for? SO prefix. Okay. Fun index, yeah. Okay, that means, so if we reach I think we need to pass fun index also into these guys. Yeah. I'm not sure if into all guys, but maybe. So we would here fun index and fun index, yeah. Then we take here maybe we should also rename this then to fun index. What about this one here? Function index. Parse SOL fun index. Okay, here we should put an assert. Function index is not invalid index. Yeah. Actually, let's keep this here for now. That's fine. Good. Parse SOL. And then fun index, yeah, and then we also pass it here and here and here. There and there and there, and then basically down here, if function index is not invalid index, then we would do something specific, right? Because then this symbol belongs to a function. Otherwise, it doesn't. Else something else. Let's add a comment here. This symbol is contained in function. Is contained in a function. The symbol is not contained in a function. Let me put here some check. I don't know if we need this here. I mean, it's very self-explanatory. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here and there and there, and let's see if all three hit. Maybe they don't all hit in there. Okay, so this is parse stsim. So this one has a function index. This one is scached digmap. Yeah, okay. Let's move it. Parse lcsim also hits. And this one as well. Okay, so all three types can be part of functions. And can we should have also put here. They can, but I expect that all of them can also be outside of a function. Right. Yes, outside, outside, outside. Yeah, okay. So all three types can be inside and outside of functions. That makes sense. Good. The symbol is seconds per logic frames. Frame. Yeah. Good. Then how about we remove this So we have ngsim and fun, that. Object file name, do we care about that? Probably not. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. How about we move these guys down here. Okay. Parse. Okay, this looks very good to me. This function is pretty clean. Yeah. Okay, good. Then we can totally focus here on these guys and try to get the most out of it. Yeah. Which is probably easier said than done. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this will be a bit of studying still and trying and testing, and yeah, we already have a bit of code in there, so that's good. Yeah. Good. What's the time? 1 hour. Yeah. Good, then how about we take a break? Yeah. Yeah, we can take a break and then... Yeah, and then study these things here more. I still don't have a good overview over the variable stuff. Yeah. S inside function means it is a static variable that is not returned, question mark. G inside function means it is returned. So gsims always end on G. These ones end on S or V. And this as well. Yeah. Why is that? I wonder if we can merge all these here into one. Like, is it really necessary to have 3 different functions doing similar things? Can't we just have one function? Because it's always the same code here, isn't it? Right? To me, it looks like we should call one function and not so many here. Yeah, yeah. I think that's the first thing we should do. We should consolidate it into one function because most of the stuff will probably be identical. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm. Um, hmm. Good. I will take a break here. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.